What up, YouTube? Nitro Kid. We're unboxing some new fuel. This took about a week to come in. We ordered from the website. Looks like they used glue and tape, so it's really really safe. This is Bones Brewing, 20% nitro, 12% oil. This is 1 quart here. Bonesmotorsports.com, guys. We're gonna run this. We're gonna put it in one of the cars, see how it tunes, see what's. Let me know how you guys like this down in the comments. What you guys like, what you guys don't. I had got a gallon of this Nitrotane by Losi. I got this at a hobby shop near me. There was no like red little silt that usually comes in here, so it was all leaking. I don't even know if I got the full gallon. So
game changer, baby. Game changer.
Alright guys, we're here with the Bonesbrew. 20% nitro, 12% oil. We're gonna put it in my Traxxas Wrestler, and we're gonna see how it tunes, if it makes the engine act different or whatever. This engine's already tuned for how I want it. I bash this every day in the backyard, that's why it's all dirty and all that. Cracked it open already. Smells like nitro. Good old smell of nitro, guys. Who doesn't like that? Fill this up. So you gotta prime it. Alright guys, so after the first, I think I put a half a tank. So after the first little half tank, I can definitely tell that it's running a little bit more rich. So maybe there's a little bit more oil content in this mix. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna probably lean it out just a little bit on the bottom and the top. But yeah, I mean, all in all, it's running good. When it first started up, it was running really rich. It almost sounded like it wanted to bog out, and as it was warming up, it started getting a little bit better. But yeah, Bones Brew, you guys check them out. 3 gallons for a little bit less than $100, I think. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care.